Welcome to Financial Fix, where we help you manage your finances better. In today's episode, we'll talk about how to use ChatGPT effectively. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you automate various tasks and improve your productivity. So, let's dive into some simple steps that you can follow to use ChatGPT effectively. The first step is to define clear objectives. This means identifying what you want to achieve with ChatGPT and setting specific goals. For example, you might want to use ChatGPT to automate customer service inquiries or generate content for your blog. The second step is to choose the right input data. This involves selecting relevant data that is specific to your use case and will help ChatGPT understand the context and meaning of the text. For example, if you're using ChatGPT to generate content, you might input keywords or a brief outline of what you want the content to cover. The third step is to use structured inputs. This means providing ChatGPT with structured inputs such as lists, tables, or forms to help it understand the data better. Structured inputs help ChatGPT make more accurate predictions and generate better output. The fourth step is to provide feedback. This involves correcting any mistakes ChatGPT makes and providing it with additional information to improve its accuracy. For example, if ChatGPT generates an incorrect response to a customer service inquiry, you can correct it and provide additional information to help it better understand the issue. The fifth step is to monitor performance. This means regularly testing ChatGPT's accuracy and efficiency to ensure it's performing well for your specific use case. You can test ChatGPT by inputting different data and reviewing its output to see how accurate it is. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can use ChatGPT effectively to improve your productivity and automate various tasks. Remember that ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect, so it's important to review its output and provide feedback to improve its accuracy. Thanks for watching this episode of Financial Fix. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your finances. And as always, stay financially fit.